Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best teal plates and napkins party supplies available on the market. The TWOWYHI 228-piece teal blue party supplies set. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding reception, or a family picnic, this comprehensive set promises to elevate your event with style and convenience. Let's explore why it's such a standout choice. The TWOWYHI 228-piece teal blue party supplies set is designed to cater to parties of up to 30 guests. It includes everything you need, 30 each of 9-inch and 7-inch teal blue paper plates, 9 ounces paper cups, plastic forks, spoons, knives, and 48 disposable paper napkins. This means no matter the occasion, your table will be fully stocked and ready to impress. Crafted from premium paper and plastic materials, these teal blue plates and napkins are not only sturdy but also stylish. The solid teal blue color adds a touch of elegance to any setting, making them perfect for themed parties or any celebration where aesthetics matter. One of the standout features of this set is its convenience. Being disposable, cleanup becomes a breeze once the party's over. You can simply toss everything away, allowing you to spend more time enjoying the company of your loved ones rather than washing dishes. Whether it's a casual family gathering, a formal dinner, or an outdoor barbecue, these teal blue party supplies are versatile enough to fit any occasion. With enough variety and quantity, you can create a cohesive and memorable event without the hassle of mismatched tableware. Compared to other similar products on the market, the TWOWYHI teal blue party supplies set stands out for its comprehensive inclusion of all essential items, quality construction, and attractive design. While there are other options available, few can match the balance of affordability and elegance that this set provides. In conclusion, if you're looking to effortlessly elevate your next party or gathering with a touch of teal elegance, the TWOWYHI 228 PCS teal blue party supplies set is an excellent choice. With its quality materials, stylish design, and convenience, it's no wonder why this set is highly recommended by so many customers. That wraps up our review of the TWOWYHI 228 PCS teal blue party supplies set. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.